Hey everyone, welcome back to Chess Club. Today I have got something special for you. The 10 most dangerous traps in chess that you should know. By understanding them can also prevent you from making costly mistakes. Ready? Let's get started. Trap 1. The Scholar's Mate. Our first trap is the Scholar's Mate, a classic 4-move checkmate that can catch new players off guard. White targets the f7 square with the queen and bishop, leading to a quick checkmate if black isn't careful. White plays e4, then queens to h5, then bishop to c4, aiming for queen cross f7 checkmate. To counter it, black can play knight c6 or g6 to stop the attack. Trap number 2. The Fool's Mate. The Fool's Mate is the fastest possible checkmate occurring when white players weakens their king's defenses by playing f3 and g4, allowing black to deliver queen h4 checkmate. While rare, it's important to know this one as a reminder to avoid unnecessary pawn moves early on. Trap number 3. The Legal Trap. The legal trap is a skinny trick in the opening where white sacrifices the queen to deliver a quick checkmate with the knight and the bishop. After e4 e5, knight to f3, d6, bishop to c4 and bishop to g4. White can play h3 if black takes the knight with bishop crosses f3. White can counter with queen crosses f3 for a rapid checkmate. Trap number 4. The Blackbone Shilling Gambit. Next is the Blackbone Shilling Gambit, a trap for black in response to e4. Black plays e5, knight to c6 and knight to d4 to tempt white into capturing the free pawn on e5. Trap number 5. The Siberian Trap. This trap occurs in the Sicilian defense, specifically in the Smith-Morra Gambit. White sacrifices pawn to develop quickly, but black has a counter. After white develops, black can set up a quick queen and knight attack on d4 square, leading to a devastating checkmate. Trap number 6. The England Gambit Trap. Here's a trap that occurs when black plays the England Gambit against d4. Black sacrifices a pawn to create an attack on white's queen. If white isn't careful, black can set up a queen and bishop attack that leads to a surprising checkmate. Trap number 7. The Elephant Trap. The elephant trap is a clever tactic in the Queen's Gambit declined. Black sacrifices material. If white accepts, black can set up a series of moves that ultimately result in white losing their queen. Trap number 8. The Cambridge Springs Trap. The Cambridge Springs Trap is a trick in the Queen's Gambit declined where black creates pressure on white's central pawn. This trap can lead white to lose a key piece or the game if they don't defend accurately. Trap number 9. The Rubinstein Trap. The Rubinstein Trap occurs in French defense where white uses development moves to set up a nasty surprise for black. After several moves, white set up a devastating checkmate if black doesn't defend carefully. Trap number 10. The Fishing Pole Trap. The fishing pole trap is a skinny trap in Ruy Lopez where black uses a knight and pawn to set up a deadly attack on white king. It starts with e4, e5, knight to f3, knight to c6, bishop to b5, knight to f6, d3, knight to g4. Here black advances the h pawn to h5, offering the knight as a bite on g4. If white captures the knight with h3 crosses g4, black advances h5 crosses g4, opening a dangerous line towards white's king. Black can follow up with a queen and rook attack for a quick checkmate. So those were 10 most dangerous traps in chess. Knowing these traps can give you a huge advantage. Make sure to practice these positions and soon you will see them appear in your games. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more chess tips and strategies. See you in next time.
I'll be the last one left.